Okay, section D. First measure isn't a big deal. It's the same thing as the first measure of C. And then now you have 32nd notes in this 6/8 for the second measure of D. And you can count these like 1E and a 2E and a 3 and a 4, 5, 6, 1. 1E and a 2E and a 3 and a 4, 5, 6, 1. Let's try that. 1, 2, ready, go. 1E and a 2E and a 3 and a 4, 5, 6, 1. Make sure that stop is solid. 1, 2, ready, go. 1E and a 2E and a 3 and a 4, 5, 6, 1. Let's try it again. Ready, go. 1E and a 2E and a 3 and a 4, 5, 6, 1. Alright, do it again. Ready, go. 1E and a 2E and a 3 and a 4, 5, 6, 1. Alright. Next measure. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 1. Try that. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 1. That's pretty easy, right? Mm-hmm. Next measure. 1, 2E and a 3 and a 4, 5, 6, 1. So now you have 16 notes again, or we're counting them like they're 16 notes, but it's all singled. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and a 2E and a 3 and a 4, 5, 6, 1. Do it again. Ready, go. 1 and a 2E and a 3 and a 4, 5, 6, 1. Next measure. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. Do that again. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 1. Okay, now you have a whole bunch of 30-second notes. You can count this like 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 5E and a 6E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 5E and a 6E and a. So it's really just a bunch of paradiddles the whole time, and that doesn't change. The only thing that changes is where you're putting the accents, but the good news is the accents, when they occur, are always at the beginning of these paradiddles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Let's try that. 1, 2, ready, go. 1E and a 2E and a 3 and a 4E and a 5E and a 6E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3 and a 4E and a 5E and a 6E and a 1. Do it again. Ready, go. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Then you have 1, 2E and a 3 and a 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and a 2E and a 3 and a 4, 5, 6, 1. Alright, say it again. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and a 2E and a 3 and a 4, 5, 6, 1. Gotta count the 6. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and a 2E and a 3 and a 4, 5, 6, 1. Alright, and all this stuff, of course, as you get better at it, accents louder, softer notes a little softer, pay attention to the other dynamics like mezzo forte or double forte, that kind of thing. Alright, let's talk about the transition to the next measure.